What if I was on the job when an auto accident occurred?
Quite often, people are involved in car accidents when they are in the course of their employment. They may be operating a car, they may be operating a truck, but the point is that they're working at the time. If they're involved in a car accident during the course of their employment, workers' compensation will be paying their medical bills and also their income. Now, what's important to know is that workers' compensation has the right to recover those monies at the end of a case if you bring it against someone else who caused the accident. That type of case is called a third-party case. Out of that case, not only will you get paid back the amount that you have to pay back to your insurance carrier, your workers' comp carrier, but you will also be able to get money for your pain, suffering, disability, disfigurement, and all those other type of damages in a normal lawsuit.